guys, so I got my package in the mail from Kandi Demigod, so let's go ahead and open it so I can show you guys what I got. Wow. Check that out. Oh, it's fucking massive. And it rotates. That's so cool. Look at all the tri-beads in it. That's so pretty. And then on the inside, it's got this little swirl pattern. It's so freaking cool. This is definitely the biggest cup I own. This was part of his giveaway for the people who tried to help keep the Kandi community alive during COVID. This was one of the prizes that you had to be nominated for, and then it was like a random drawing from there. So I really appreciate this. It's really awesome. I actually got to meet Kandi Demigod at Lost Lands, which was awesome. All my Lost Lands content is going to come out soon. I got to put it all together and edit it. But I wanted to share with you guys this epic freaking cuff. Okay, till next time. See you guys later. Bye.